Okay, so my MicroSD adapter keeps on getting switched to locked every single time I put it inside my computer SD slot. So that makes it very difficult to transfer files onto my MicroSD. The easy solution for this is to actually put some Scotch tape over here. That way it will lock it in the unlock position. Okay, so let's get started. So just grabbing a little bit. So this much is more than enough. Now, careful with the contacts. See how it overlaps a little bit? Alright, so now this is locked in the unlock position. That way you will be able to read and write directly to your SD or micro SD card.